Hello everyone, Metallics Jim here. I hope you all are doing good in this pandemic situation. Today we are going to see best variations to correct knock knees. They are: first one, wall sits; next variation, leg lifts; next variation, step ups; next variation, kickbacks; next variation, warrior pose. Because of these knock knees, many people may not do resistance exercise and cannot do mobility exercise and may feel discomfort. Because of knock knees, we will get rubbing the thighs, unable to do exercise at peak while doing this simulating exercise. While doing exercise, the pressure and weight will be on the knock knees. To reduce these, you need to concentrate on leg muscles and strengthen. Because of these knock knees, you may disqualify in physical tests of central forces such as Navy and Air Forces. For these knock knees, people have to do exercise to strengthen their legs. First variation as wall sits. While doing wall sit, the wall sits need to concentrate on thigh muscles. In thigh, we have quadriceps femoris muscle, and the types are as rectus femoris, vastus femoris, vastus intermedius, vastus medialis. So, to stimulate and strengthen these muscles, this wall sit will help you a lot along. With this variation, the core stability will also increase. You may have a doubt that how much time we have to do this wall sit. So for that, you can do until failure and also plan 3 sets. And next variation comes leg lifts. While doing this exercise, you need to put some resistance on the body. For that, we can hold a plain barbell. And also, this exercise will increase blood flow in your lower body. And the third variation comes as standing step ups. While doing this exercise, the strengthening will be good and all muscles will get activated. So, your flexibility and mobility will increase more. Plant your right foot on the box, lean forward and step up. So you are standing with both feet on the box. Then step back with your right foot and plant it on the ground. Then step back with your left foot. Next, step up with your left foot followed by right foot. And the fourth variation comes as standing kickbacks. This exercise will hit the glutes and hips. If you do this correctly, by default, each and every muscle will get activated. Stand upright with your feet together, your back straight, your hands on your hips, and your abs should be engaged. And the last variation is warrior pose. This pose is very good for the ligament strengthen, and you have to do at least 10 repetitions and 3 sets. There are 2 poses in warrior. They are as warrior 1 and warrior 2. We have to do these for an alternate day to an alternate leg. Try to follow this exercise at least 3 days a week. Definitely you will get good results. And that's all for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in next video.